Hey, how everybody doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. By the title of this video, y'all know what y'all girl having. And I'm hungry per usual. But your girl is having her some tacos. Then her piece get on my nerves. I made this at home. I used Boca veggie crumble. I used cheese, regular cheese. I'm not vegan, vegetarian, all that good stuff. I'm not all that. I'm pescatarian. But anyway, we're going to get into the video, y'all. We're going to say our grace and we're going to eat. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Lord, let it be nourishment and blessing to my body. This I ask in your dollar sign name. Amen. So what's up? Happy Wednesday. It's not Taco Tuesday, y'all. Y'all know I don't follow trends. But yeah, I have some tacos and I made me a margarita, y'all. And on the tacos, I got, like I said, I got the Boca veggie crumble. I have regular cheese, regular Mexican cheese, you guys. I made me a little pico, a little homemade pico. And I have cucumbers on here, sour cream, salsa. And I have avocado ranch. This is good, you guys. And my shell is the spicy jalapeno cheddar shell. I've never had them. I seen somebody doing them on a video. I can't recall who it was, y'all, because I watched too many videos. But yeah, this the taco, you guys. Y'all want the first bite? Or y'all want to drink first? Y'all want to cheers? Cheers to love, life, peace, prosperity, and all the desires of your heart. Cheers. It's good too, y'all. I used, y'all ever heard of cheese? I used the regular one like this. And this is the pineapple. And it already has alcohol in it, y'all. And I used a shot of Jose Cuervo traditional tequila. But we got everything. I got some more sour cream over here on the side. If I need some more, I got some more salsa over here. I got some hot sauce. But I'm pretty sure all of this is going to be hot. Because the shell is hot. Well, it's spicy. My pico has peppers in it. Yeah. And the salsa I use is hot. And I got some limes over here, you guys. You know you got to squirt some lime juice on your tacos, y'all. It wouldn't be right. Get into it. And I also seasoned my Boca meat, even though it already has a little flavor to it, but I put lime seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and I use the taco seasoning, a low sodium taco seasoning pack. I use that, and yeah, that's it. And I got lettuce on here too. Did I say that? Lettuce and cucumbers, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get into it. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. I hope y'all enjoyed y'all weekend. Did I already tell y'all that? If y'all want some tacos, I know different places have good tacos, but if you want them good, do them at home. That way you can put anything you want on them. Add stuff, different flavors, different vegetables, all that good stuff. And I bake my taco shells. If you don't bake your taco shells, I don't know what's wrong with you. They have to be cooked. I know some people don't bake them for the crunch, the taste, or whatever. But you have to put them in the oven. That's good. And mine may have lost some of the crunch. Because when I got through setting up, I ended up going to do a little something. And came back to record. But they still good nonetheless. It's so good. I'm making a whole meal. It's all good though. I'm at home. Now that is good. I also got a water over here too, you guys. I don't know when last time I did a taco video for y'all. I'm gonna clean all that off when I get ready to put this stuff up, y'all. This might be a short video. I don't have anything to talk about, y'all. I really don't. Ooh, that's not heavy. I love sour cream too, y'all. And the shell, you guys, it got a little spice to it, not too much. If you like spicy foods. But I think it's tolerable. I know they had another spicy shell now. That one was really hot. And then it was salty. I think it was a Taki one. I did that one a while ago. No. Sorry if I'm smacking. Well, I did do a taco video for y'all, but it wasn't homemade taco recently. I'm already getting full. But I'm eating all these. This is my first meal for today. And it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't have to eat anything else after this. Uh-oh. It came out too fast. Put a little dab of hot sauce on here. Y'all, I'm gonna pay for this. I don't know what I be thinking, child. But it's all good. Y'all get y'all a bite. Y'all see how that flavor in it, in there? And I noticed something about these tacos too. When they start adding them different flavors to them, they don't be as thick. The taco shells. That is real messy. Oh well. Y'all, this is good. I hope y'all can see everything well. I seen better when I had my glasses on, but I hope y'all can see it. Ooh. I told you it won't be no long video. So when I get through with these, I'm gonna leave y'all. I'm gonna let y'all have the rest of y'all day. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, my TV is on, what's the show Steve has on, Family Feud? Do y'all still watch that? I haven't watched it in years. I don't watch regular TV, y'all. I think I watch more YouTube than anything. I've been watching a little more Tubi lately too, and Netflix. My attention span is real short, y'all, so you got to really get my attention for me to keep watching it. For real. God, it's so good. It is so good. And I'm not lying to y'all. And not just because I made it either. It's really good. It's spicy. It's flavorful. It's refreshing. Because they got those cucumbers on there with that lettuce, y'all. It's good. And there's sour cream. I just hate when the crunch be gone, but it's all right. Can y'all hear me? I literally feel like I'm talking low today. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know how much percent of alcohol is in these little things here. I think it's like 10. It's 10% in these little bitty bottles, y'all. 10% alcohol. So it'll do you if you're not a drinker. It'll, you know, do you. You can feel it. But like I said, I added a shot. I used one whole bottle of this and a half of the other bottle. I should buy me a spoon over here. Your girl hungry today. Ooh. Yep, I'm gonna be good for the day, honey. Last one. I told y'all I was gonna eat all of them, y'all, because, baby. I hope y'all enjoy this video. I really do. And I hope y'all subscribing, the people that haven't. Or at least give the video a thumbs up. I really, truly appreciate it. I'm acting like I ain't ate in days, y'all. That's how good these tacos are. For real. I know y'all tired of hearing me saying it, but it is what it is. Are y'all ready for Christmas? You know it'll be tomorrow. The way these days going by. It's crazy how they flying by though. But are y'all ready? Have y'all started Christmas shopping? Those that believe in Christmas. You can't turn on the news without hearing about somebody getting killed, shot, robbed. It's ridiculous out here. That's why I be saying stay prayed up, y'all. And keep your peace on you. Because these folks crazy. They be risking their life for your stuff. I ain't never seen nothing like it. Giving people over their own shit. I told you I was gonna finish that. I'm good now. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. And if you did, please like the video, share it out, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. That's it. That's all. But yeah, I love y'all, and I really appreciate y'all for watching. I will see y'all on the next video. I love you all. Don't forget to stay blessed. Keep God first and love on your people. Bye-bye.